Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make jasmine oil. Jasmine oil has so many benefits for the skin and the hair. Because of its sweet smell, it acts as a natural deodorant for the skin. It also tones, softens, and erases any scar from the skin. Jasmine oil is also a natural hair conditioner. It helps in attaining a stronger, longer, and radiant hair. It keeps the scalp moisturized and it treats scalp infections. This oil also gets rid of lice in the hair. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go into my garden and pick my jasmine flowers. I am gonna pick a lot because I want the oil to be very concentrated. So after picking my flowers, this is what I have here. I have a bowl full of jasmine flowers. You are gonna need a carrier oil, and I have here olive oil. This brand of olive oil does not have a hard smell, so it wouldn't interfere with the smell of the jasmine. You can use sweet almond oil as an alternative. I also have here a glass container with a lid. Now, I'm gonna fill my container with my jasmine flowers. Then, I'm gonna come in with my olive oil. After the oil has soaked up the flowers a bit, I'm gonna come in with more of the flowers because I want it very concentrated. So after I have filled up my container, I'm going to add a little bit more of the oil. Then I'll cover it up. Now bring water to a boil. Put your filled container inside. Allow it to boil for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put off the fire and allow it to cool down. After it has cooled down, leave it to set for about 3 days. So it's been after 3 days and our jasmine oil is ready. It smells so nice. With the help of a strainer and a funnel, I'm gonna transfer my oil into this little bottle. So this is it guys, this is our jasmine oil and it's ready. It's so easy to make. I really love jasmine oil because it smells so good. You can add it to your skin creams or your hair butters to make it smell better. So this is it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, suggestions or contributions, leave them in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.